Is that clear? So C.O.B is the last stage, and I told you that private company, if it is there, only two stages are required: promotion and incorporation. If it is C.O.B stands for Commencement of Business. It is a certificate issued by the Register of Companies to the company. No public company shall start its production activity unless and until it achieves certificate of commencement of business from the Register of Companies. It is very compulsory. Clear? Number one, what is required? Amendment is done by inserting new section 10A in the Companies Act 1956. So new Companies Act, Amendment Act 2013 has got section 10A. As per the provisions of 10A, the company shall not commence its business unless a declaration is filed by a director, means board of directors, those who are signatories to the memorandum. They are the first directors of the company. Unless a declaration is filed by directors within a period of 180 days of the date of incorporation, 6 months, 180 days from date of receipt of certificate of incorporation, director should file declaration in writing regarding payment of share capital by all the signatories to the memorandum. Very important declaration. I must tell you, before insertion of section 10A in Old Companies Act, 5 declarations were compulsory. Focus. Number 1, declaration regarding directors, declaration regarding prospectus, declaration regarding stock exchange, then declaration regarding minimum subscription that it has been achieved, and declaration by the legal advisor that all the formalities of the registration procedure have been complied with. These 5 declarations were required. But new act has amended this section completely. Rule 23A is also amended, so we will come to that. So section 10A has given that declaration by directors within 180 days. Number 2, a company has filed with the Register of Companies verification of its registered office as per section 12 subsection 2. So corporate office address must be certified properly. Documents are required, address proof. Is that clear? Then DSC, that is Digital Signature Certificate, which is given to the company. That copy should be submitted with the ROC for verification of registered office address. Then if the default is made by company or its officers in following the provisions of section 10A, penalty is 50,000 to a company and rupees 1,000 per day to officers, or rupees 1 lakh, whichever is less. Is maximum 1 lakh penalty can be payable. So no contravention of the provisions of section 10A are expected in C.O.B stage. Rule 23A. What is Rule 23A? A declaration under section 10A shall be in form number INC 20A. Friends, I have underlined it, section, form number. The test of your knowledge while writing an answer, at least for chartered accountancy examination, this kind of presentation is required. Exactitude is required regarding section number, subsection, form number. So it should be properly mentioned in the answer. So INC 28 is the form in which declaration shall be filed by the directors, and it must be verified and signed with seal and signature with date by either chartered accountant or company secretary or cost and management accountant, either of the case. So their seal and signature is required. Yes, I have read, I had gone through, and everything is correct. This verification is compulsory. Okay? Approval from RBI if necessary. For example, if it is banking company, okay, or finance based any organization, if it is to be registered, which requires approval of Reserve Bank of India, then RBI approval will be necessary in that case. Approval from Securities Exchange Board of India, okay, that is also required. One more thing I told you, the prospectus, a certified copy of prospectus. Certified means what? Who will certify? किसने सर्टिफाई किया था? प्रॉस्पेक्टस पे किसका सही था? सेकंड स्टेज में बोलो. फाइनल कॉपी पे किसका साइन होता है प्रॉस्पेक्टस के, कौन सर्टिफाई करता है उसको? सेकंड स्टेज में पढ़ाया था ना मैंने, जस्ट रिकॉल इट। ROC, Register of Company signs and he approves the prospectus. Is that clear? So that is certified copy of prospectus. One copy should be attached here. I also told you, I could recall, single misstatement in a prospectus can send the directors behind the bars. They can go to imprisonment, jail, Baroda. Is that clear? So वो दुआ मांगते हैं कि भाई ये prospectus ठीक से बने और ठीक से इशू हो जाए, इसमें कोई भी गड़बड़ी नहीं होनी चाहिए, no गलत information should be there. दुआ मांगने से मुझे एक शेर याद है, मैं आपको बोलता हूँ। एक बंदे ने खुदा से दुआ मांगी, मेरे नहीं, गुलजार जी का शेर है। एक बंदे ने खुदा से दुआ मांगी, दुआ में अपने लिए मौत मांगी। बोलो वाह वाह। अब सुनो, एक बंदे ने खुदा से दुआ मांगी, दुआ में अपने लिए मौत मांगी। नहीं बोलना, अब सुनो, बोला था, अब सुनो बस। एक बंदे ने खुदा से दुआ मांगी, दुआ में अपने लिए मौत मांगी। खुदा ने कहा मौत तो मैं तुझे दे दूं, मगर उससे क्या कहूं जिसने तेरी जिंदगी की दुआ मांगी। तो डायरेक्टर्स दुआ मांगते हैं कि ये प्रॉस्पेक्टस ठीक से पास हो जाए, मार्केट में चला जाए और कैपिटल भी ठीक से आ जाए। There shall not be any complaint from the investors कि there was a misstatement and I am aggrieved by this misstatement. Okay. Then verification of documents by register of companies. After getting all declarations, address proofs, corporate office address, digital signature certificate, certified copy of prospectus, everything registrar verifies again. He checks the whole file and then he issued certificate of commencement of business, and after that company can start its production activity. So the procedure for formation of a company comes to an end here. If any questions are there, you can ask me. Any questions, any doubts? That's all.